morning, good afternoon, good day, good day. Seeing a lot of chatter about this trucker strike, this convoy, thousands of trucks. They're just gonna stop working. They're just gonna drive to Ottawa and block up the city and not leave until either the mandates are lifted and or the entire government resigns. It's going to cause food shortages, parts shortages, industrial shortages. I only got one thing to say to those guys. Let's go! Let's go! Justin, what are you going to do? Oh my God, it's over, man. What the hell? Devastating. This is like the arteries that keep the country alive. And they've got a war chest of over $1 million. It's growing by hundreds of thousands of dollars a day. You can find it's on a GoFundMe somewhere. Bear hug something. They're traveling from the East Coast here in a couple days, or tomorrow maybe. There's already a huge one on the way from Winnipeg. What are you going to do, Justin? You going to arrest them all? See how well that goes over. That's a great idea. 3 days, is enough to cause serious disruptions. They're going to stay there for probably weeks or more as the entire country falls apart. Look at the size of this place. You can't shut down the... They have all the cards. They got nothing but time. They're fired anyway because they're unvaccinated. Millions of dollars in support. Imagine those. What are those hotel trucker parties going to be like? I ain't moving. Amazing. It's outstanding. Oh man, it's about time. It's what a Canadian thing to do. That's about enough of this. I'm pretty sure I had a prophetic moment once a year ago. I said, soon people are going to be fed up, and then you're just going to start seeing the trucks roll into Ottawa. I envisioned, F-150s and so on, but close enough. I'll take it. Oh, man. It's exciting. It's interesting. And the news is pretending it's not happening. It's just, there's a little protest or something. Have you seen the video? A little? It's thousands of trucks, man. It's got to be like a huge portion of the Canadian trucking industry. So, this is going to be interesting. Can't wait. You'll love to see it. Oh man. Oh goodness. Seriously, what are they going to do? What moves do they have? That's like if your heart goes on strike and you're like, go to hell, heart, I don't need you. Yeah, you do. You gotta do. I can't wait. Oh man, go get food now, like right now. As you're watching this video, I hope you're in a grocery store finding something, because this could potentially be really crazy. I can't wait for the moment in time when Justin has to address the situation. That moment when it's finally gotten so bad that he has to say something. Do they have to acknowledge what's happening in some capacity? Oh, I can't wait for that press conference. That's going to be his cherry on top of his stupid, spoiled, entitled, detached from reality, disconnected, debutante, champagne socialist legacy. Fuck you, Justin. Sit on it, bitch.